Yo, what is up everybody? Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do hyperlapses. Now, if you don't know what a hyperlapse is, it's kind of like a time lapse except with movement in between each photo. So normally with a time lapse you'd take one photo and then you'd wait like 5, 10, 15, 30 seconds, whatever your interval may be, and then take another photo. And you keep going until you finish your time lapse. However, with a hyperlapse, you're going to be holding your camera, you take one photo and then you take like 1 to 3 steps depending on how much movement you want, and this creates movement and gives the hyperlapse a sort of jittery or hyper feel, hence the name. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. It's actually the next day and I'm doing the intro now because I wasn't really sure what information I was going to give out in the video, but you guys are about to see that, and you can even do this with your phone. That's the beauty of it. So yeah. Let's go. Hyperlapses, something you want to do is compose your image in a way that it's next to the guides and markers on your viewfinder and or monitor. That way you can easily copy the composition with the next photo you take. So after you have your composition, you're going to take a step forward or backward, whatever direction you're going. You can do 1 to 3 steps. I usually do about 2. And you're going to copy the same composition from your last photo, from your first photo, and you're going to keep doing that until you finish your hyperlapse. I'm going to be posting my hyperlapse in landscape because I'm posting it to YouTube, but you can do it in portrait, which should be fine for things like Instagram. Now, one thing to keep in mind when shooting your hyperlapse is it's going to turn into a video, and videos are 24 frames per second. So for every 24 photos you have, you're going to have 1 second of hyperlapse. With that being said, let's get to shooting hyperlapse. So we're here at the location we're going to be shooting. So the subject is going to be that Orpheum sign over there. And I'm going to frame it in the middle of my screen. And then I'm going to take 3 steps in between each photo. And I'm going to try and finish on the other side. Hopefully this turns out and you guys will see. So let's go. Alright, so that is how you shoot a hyperlapse. In terms of editing, you'd edit the photos in a group in Lightroom or whatever photo editing program you use, and then you bring it over into video editing program. I use DaVinci Resolve, which is completely free. I'll leave a link down in the description below. But I'm sure Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro work just as well. Once you're in your editing program, you import all the photos you've edited, and then you make it one clip, stabilize that clip, crop it, do whatever you like, and then export it, and you should have your final hyperlapse that looks something like this. Alright, so that is it for this video. If you guys want to share some of your hyperlapses with me or any of your other work, just tag me on Instagram, link in description, and I'll also pop it up somewhere on the screen around here. And yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm going to be shooting my What was that? What was that?